Welcome to the course Exploring the Solar System. I am Shweta from Astounding and we have now reached at the end of our course. In this course, we have painted the broad outline of our solar system. We first travelled in the past to understand how our solar system was born. Then we took a tour to find its edge. After learning some quick interesting stuff about the planets, we turned towards understanding more about them and their moons as well. And we finished up with understanding how the smaller bodies of the solar system contain important clues about the origin and the evolution of the universe. An important reason to study the solar system is to search for our own origins. Human beings have studied our solar system for thousands of years. But it was only in the last few centuries that scientists have started to really figure out how the things work. There's a lot more to be explored in our own cosmic backyard. For now, you can explore Astronera's more interesting courses. So I'll see you again.